Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about organic chemistry. Chapter number 3. Now let's dive in a topic. The simplest types of chemical formula are called empirical formula, which use letters and numbers indicating the numerical proportions of atoms of each type. Molecular formula indicate the simple numbers of each type of atom in a molecule, with no information on structure. For example, the empirical formula for glucose is CH2O, twice as many hydrogen atoms as carbon and oxygen, while its molecular formula is C6H12O6, 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms make a molecule of glucose having 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen. Here the list of some alkanes with the molecular formula and structures are given below. That is methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8 and butane C4H10. Expanded structural formulas. In expanded structural formula, Lewis formula or Lewis structures, all atoms are bonded, bonds are shown. For example, ethane. Carbon atom form 4 bonds, one with another carbon atom and 3 with hydrogen atom. Single bond is formed. Both the carbon atoms are bonded by single bond. Number 2, propene, carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-hydrogen single bond. Each carbon atom form 4 bond. This carbon form 2 bond with another carbon atom and 2 bond with hydrogen atom. The second carbon atom form double bond with this carbon and single bond with this carbon and single bond with hydrogen atom. So in total this carbon also form 4 bond, 2, 3 and 4. The terminal carbon atom also form 4 single bond, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is ethyl alcohol or ethanol, carbon-carbon single bond, and this carbon directly bonded with oxygen and oxygen directly bonded with hydrogen. It is dimethyl ether. In dimethyl ether, carbon atom directly bonded with oxygen. Oxygen is present in the center and this oxygen is directly bonded with 2 carbon atom, while the carbon atom form 3 bond with 3 hydrogen atoms. The second carbon atom is also form 3 bond with 3 hydrogen atom, carbon hydrogen single bond, carbon hydrogen single bond and carbon hydrogen single bond. It is the expanded structural formula. Structural formula for butane. Examples of other chemical formula for butane are the empirical formula. The empirical formula of butane is C2H5. The molecular formula of butane is C4H10 and the condensed or semi-structural formula of butane is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. While The structural formula of butane is carbon directly bonded with another carbon, then carbon and carbon, while the other bond of carbon are satisfied by bonding hydrogen atoms. This terminal carbon is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms, and these two central carbon atom which is directly bonded with 2 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom, and in total this carbon is also form 4 covalent bond. This carbon is also form 4 covalent bond which is directly bonded with 2 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom, and this terminal carbon is directly bonded with 1 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atom. Condensed structural formula. In condensed structural formula, only specific bonds are shown. This is useful in reducing the number of CH bonds that must be drawn. CH3 for ethane, CH3, and in condensed formula, it is written like this, that is CH3. It is the formula of propene, CH2, CH3. It is the condensed formula of ethyl alcohol, and this is the condensed formula of diethyl ether. It is diethyl ether. A dot and cross diagram. A dot and cross diagram can model the bonding in a simple molecule. The outer shell of each atom is drawn as a circle. Circles overlap where there is a covalent bond. Electrons from one atom are drawn as dots and electrons from another atom as crosses. Electron dot structure of propane. In carbon, the outermost or valency shell contains 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hydrogen atom contains only 1 electron in its K shell. So, sharing takes place between hydrogen and carbon atom. These two electrons are bonded together by covalent bond. Covalent bond is also formed in these 3 hydrogen atoms, while one valence electron is bonded with the another carbon atom. It is carbon-carbon bond is formed. One bond pair, it is a bond pair, show single covalent bond and shown by a single line. This carbon is directly bonded with 2 carbon atom. 4 electron in its valence shell, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Two valency electrons are involved in carbon-carbon bond, while two valence electrons are form bond with these 2 hydrogen atoms. This terminal carbon atom is directly bonded with this carbon atom, while the other 3 valence electron form single bond with hydrogen atom. Each carbon atom form 4 covalent bond. Electron dot structure of butane. It is the electron dot structure of butane. The valence electron of carbon, and it is the electron of hydrogen. Hydrogen atom has one electron in its K shell. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.